community, the village, they all want to be your friend now. These people that attacked you, that monitor you, spy in on you, could have did black magic and foo-foo. Literally could have did foo-foo on you. Now they all want to be your friend. Like, you can't, because they know. They know your victory is near. You got these people nervous. You got them feeling some type of way. You got them feeling scared. They're scared. They're nervous. You see, they laughed at you before. Now they're not laughing. Now they're not laughing. Now it's not funny. Now they're scared. Now they're nervous. Because they don't know if you're going to accept them into your inner circle. But what they do know for certain is that you're going to be celebrating. That you're going to be popping bottles in your beautiful new home, new townhome, new apartment, getting your furniture and whatnot, establishing yourself.